Hi guys, this is Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here back to do another get ready with me. So first of all, what I'm going to start, I've already done my eyebrow and I used the Amo eyebrow pencil in 09. I used the Makeup Revolution concealer. I used the C13 to like cut my crease, and then I set my face with the W7 banana powder. And I also use the NYX eye primer. I use this one. This is what I use to like prime my eyes before I put the concealer and set it. I have already done my eyebrow. I use an highlighter to highlight my eyebrow, and I use this highlighter by Sneak. I use this one, this shade here, and I use it like on top of my eyebrows. So let's jump into the tutorial. The palette I'm going to use today is the W7 eyeshadow palette. This is the palette I'm going to use. So let's just get started. I'm already primed my face with the Bobbi Brown face primer. Face base is what I use to prime my face, and I use the Maybelline liquid illuminator. I also use it to like put it all over my face. So that is all I have on my face. So now let's just jump into the eyes. I've already primed my eyes, as you guys know. So first I'm just going to take this eyeshadow here, and I'm going to start with a transition color. I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to take this brown here, use it as a transition color. Just, it's a little bit lighter, just because I've already set my face with the banana powder. So bring it just a little bit like up to the highlighter, but not all the way up, just a little bit. So now what I'm going to do, I have this W7 blush brush cleaner. I'm just gonna like wipe this so I don't use a lot of brushes. So now I'm going to start with this orange color here. You're just gonna blend that like. So now that is done, you're going to take another brush, and I'm going to start with this shade here. So now that we are done with the eyes, is Benny Clamé the Ogen, and this is the eindresultaat. I really like how it turned out. Like the palette, you can really do a really nice look with this palette. So this is what the eyes look like. I've already primed my face, as you guys know, so now I'm going to move with my foundation. I'm going to use this Milani foundation. This is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to take my sponge, just because I like applying my foundation with sponge. I don't know why, I just like the way it looks. I like the finished result. I'm going to pump the foundation on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna like blend this into my skin. I like to focus more like around my mouth, because that is my problematic area, and I didn't color correct just because this foundation is concealer and foundation 2-in-1, so it has full coverage, so I don't want like my face to be that cakey, so that's the reason why I didn't like color correct. As you guys can see, around my mouth is quite covered enough. So now that it's done, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in C12. I'm going to use this to highlight. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my W7 banana powder. I'm going to use that to set my face. So now I'm going to take the Elegor setting powder. I'm going to use that to set my face. So now we're going to do powder contour. I'm going to use the Elegant contour powder. This is the dark one. I'm going to take the 007 blush palette. I'm going to take this shade here. I'm going to use this brown one here to like contour my nose. I'm going to take this Nabla cosmetic lipstick. I don't know what shade, what name. This is in Cocoa. I'm going to use this to apply on my lips. So now it's time to highlight, my favorite part. I'm going to use the Sleek highlighter. This is what I'm going to use. This is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to mix these two together like this and this. So let's get started. Voila! This is the end result. This is the finished result. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like it? I like how this look turned out. Like, I like this palette. You can do so many looks with it palette, and it's very affordable, and I really like how the look turned out. So this is the overall look, and I also like this Nabla cosmetic lipstick. It applies really nice. I like the color. The brown is just beautiful. It applies very smooth, and I just like the way it looks on my skin tone. It just look really nice. I like it. It's like my favorite shade out of all the ones I have. This is my favorite. I just like the way it applied. So yeah, dit is het finish result. Dit is het eindresultaat. Hoop dat jullie deze video leuk vindt. En als je deze video leuk vindt, vergeet niet te abonneren. Vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal, op mijn Facebook pagina voor meer foto's. I will leave all the information down in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page for more pictures. This is your girl Amy. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye! Doeg!